CDL inspection part C. Headboard. No damage, no broken, in good condition. All rivets present and no missing. Heavy vehicle inspection up to date. Clearance light. No crack, no broken, no damage, proper color amber. Side of the trailer. No broken, no damage, in good condition. DOT tape presence, clean, shine and covered no less than 50%. Landing gear securely mounted, no damage, no broken. Support frame, no bended, no damage, all bolts present. Landing gear shoes, no damage, no broken, fully up. Crack handle, no broken, no damage, in lock position. Cross beams, securely mounted, no damage, no broken. Floor, no broken, no holes, in good condition. Trailer frame, no damage, no crack, no broken, no illegible holes, no illegible welds. Leaf spring mount, no damage, no broken, securely mounted to the frame. Torsion bar, no damage, no bended, no broken. Torque arm, securely mounted, no broken, no damage. Leaf spring, no shifted, no crack, no damage. U bolts tight, secure and no broken. Air brake chamber, no leaks, no damage, securely mounted. Air hoses, no cut, no leaks, no damage. ABS cable, no cut, no freight and properly connect. Push rod and slack adjuster, securely mounted, no damage, no broken. Has no more than 1 inch free play when brake release. Brake drums and brake shoes, securely mounted, no crack, no damage, no oil inside. Brake shoes no less than 1/4 inch thickness. Tires, it's a double tires, gonna be same size. No garbage or rocks inside, no gap between rims. Tire, inside, outside, top of the tires, no cut, no bubbles, no leaks, no damage, no less than 232 3 depth. Rims, outside, inside, no crack, no broken, no illegible welds, securely mounted with lug nuts. Lug nuts tight, secure, no rust and no shine. Axle seal, no leaks, no damage, no broken, all bolts present. Air valve, no bended, no broken, no leaks, proper pressure around 100 psi. Mat flap, securely mounted and properly attached. ABS lights, proper color amber, no crack, no broken, no damage. Marker lights on both sides, marker lights, no crack, no damage, no broken, proper color red. Clearance lights, proper color red, no crack, no damage and no broken. Back door, no damage, no broken, in good condition. Handle latch, no broken, no damage, in lock position. DOT tape presents clear, shine and covered 100%. Rear lights, proper color red, no crack, no damage, no broken. It's a multifunction lights, turn lights, four-way flasher lights and brake lights. License plate number clean, readable and up to date. Bumper, no damage, no bended, no broken, all bolts presents. DOT tape presents clear, shine and covered 100%.